So viewer subscriber, Wagwan, welcome back to 4K Shola Energy, and in this update we have Demarco, a diss up, Foota hype, and a talk about Sting. Plus we also have Liam Bailey. Yeah man, the footballer had a lot to say to the fans them because I don't know so the fans them give Liam Bailey a hard time. Such a man, like up this video and share it up. Click the bell to be notified so you don't miss a brand new upload every day, and subscribe to 4K Shola Energy if you're new to this channel. So as you can see, viewer subscriber, we'll kick this review off with Liam Bailey. Yeah man, so when I don't know, so the fans them of the reggae boys, I give Liam Bailey a very hard time. So the fans them are say Liam Bailey is not performing for the team, he's not scoring, he's not assisting, and a bag of things. You see me? So basically, viewer subscriber, all this I get to Liam Bailey now, and Liam Bailey speak out against it. Yeah man. But the fans them also I say Liam Bailey forget like all 3 minutes off of the bench. You see me? 3 minutes or 2 minutes. I saw the fans them a deal with Liam Bailey because them a say him not perform, him not score, he's not contributing anything to the team like how him contribute for Aston Villa. Such a man, if you reach this far, like up this video and preview what Liam Bailey has say.
People have looked on it. I bet say enough of them never know it. I've only lost 3 official games since I represent Jamaica from 2019 when we never know it. Ask much people, how much people know that. Choose 3 games from me I play with Jamaica, official game. 4 if you want to count a friendly against Argentina. 2 semi-final, 2 World Cup semi-final, I lose. When me on the field, yeah? When me on the field. 2 semi-final and 1 year in Jamaica against Canada. 3 games. Check the stats. When me on the field, 3 games, how much people can say that? From me, when me on the field, we only lose. I've only lost 3 official games with Jamaica. And at 2019, I start playing with Jamaica. And at 2024, we are going. How much you hear that? How much keeps me up for Jamaica?
Yeah man, so Liam Bailey a speak out and I make him thoughts be known. The people them a pressure Liam Bailey and I say yo him forget 3 minutes off of the bench and him not perform none at all for Jamaica. So Liam Bailey, like I said, I speak out on this and it's obvious that it a get to the player. You see me? It finally a get to the player. But viewer subscriber, and if you understand, say footballers them have their ups and down moment. I see the time when them start to feel on certain things, a dear son need to stand with the player because remember you know a few country them a represent, a few team them a play for. You have to stand with them and represent them same way. You see me? Because at the end of the day, when them start to strive and them start to score the goals and start to assist and you see me, them start to do more upon the field, remember you know, I only see one I go run back and say, oh Liam Bailey a baller, nobody no better than Liam Bailey. So these times when the players them not performing and these times when you stand with them and build them back up than tear them down. You see me? Yeah man. So viewer subscriber, make me know what you think about that. Big up to Liam Bailey, same way. Moving on to another topic.
6 mil now. I want to Foota die. I want to you know how much me put in a dancehall. You know how much me contribute to dancehall music. You know how much me contribute to this culture. You know how much big reading me build boy. You know how much song me write. You know how much hits me make boy. I want to your Foota die. What you do? You ever win a clash? You just Aisha baby father. Move from your song go. You know buddy? I'm going like you want to come discredit man thing, Foota swipe. I'm tell you dog, you accomplish nothing in a music, brother. What you accomplish? You're not bigger than none I selected them. It's just regular. You never win a sound clash, none of them thing there. So you for come and make talk. You have no power, no talk. No power. Blood clot. I all talk about Nyamodi and were better than my song them and very. Remember, you know, people them see alien, you know, the alien that you know, when always talk about him see, you know. And Nyamodi, you know. Nyamodi. I just said alien the way I always talk about. Don't play with me thing, dog. Yo. I love my life and the biggest song come out of Jamaica. I want to tell you. Yo, that play every day that play. I want to a man, falling soldier. No, yo, whole heap of hits. A whole heap of hit rhythm when I build, and a whole heap of song when I write. I want to say, man, dog, Charlie Black's Party Animal, one of the biggest dancehall song come out of Blood Clot, Jamaica. And I'm me create the beat. I want to you, boy, don't try discredit me thing, boy. Go and go one side. Go! I want to you. Be a blood clot, skin out on top of people car and them thing they not drive people car and I go like wear people things and I go like a year one. Go! Fuck the boy. But you know hear somebody say fully book already, but you know hear the dyker say, yo, oh man them say them a do it free. Do it free. Do it free. Free? You think so me can tell my picnic them free? Oh, kids, yo, me now see you know and me gone to Jamaica go do things free. I miss out on time we don't know for free. Free, okay. Free. Free. I mean, fully them forget Miller up. You see me? Next one they even make no sense. Him never forget the money. Him never for forward. Go on with him a go. A fully bad way I shoot. All if him kill me by the stage or if me win. A fully bad way I shoot. Fully bad for boss. That way I tell you. Some boy discredit all the youth. Bad artists and boy discredit youth. I call yo the other way and this and that. And I style the youth. No matter what kind of difference you and the man have. Don't try to stop get the youth food. I want to tell you. Go on where you go. Don't try to stop the youth food. I want to stop blood clot game. I go on like you know want blood clot follow him up. Don't follow him up because him not a sense. The man not a sense. The man just there, yo. They are foreign like a last cause. Don't yo. About follow up him. Idiot that. I want to tell you, don't ever try discredit get to you them thing, brother. Go on and go. I want to tell you.
Yeah, man. So that's what Demarco had to say about Sting and Foota hype. Yeah, man. Demarco, I make them know say him want 6 mil. 6 mil him want for perform at Sting. They better pay the price or him not go perform none at all. You see me? But me no know if Sting go pay the price or not. But if anything pop up, you don't know, so we go talk about it. You see me? Yeah, man. And unu hear Demarco at this up Foota hype. Yeah, man. The artist Demarco I say, oh, Foota hype attack say the artist them want to perform at Sting for free. But Demarco I make them know say him not depend that. Him want film pay a check, which is 6 mil. So viewer subscriber, wanna know the band is going already. Subscribe to 4K Shala Energy and make me know what you think about that. You see me? Yeah, man, like up this video if you reach this far. Plus click the bell to be notified so you don't miss a brand new upload every day. Yeah, man, big up on yourself and make us run up the channel to 2,000 subscribers. Yeah, man, 4K Shala Energy, I'm out.